Hi guys, this is Mike Denny from Appalachian Bushcraft here, doing the kind of my gear, what I carry every day, pack system, whatever you want to call it. This is part 2. Just got to doing the stuff sack on top. I have this bag I got from Campcraft Outdoors. I can't remember what it's called, but if you go check out their website, it's on there. I have a small roll of Gorilla Tape, fire starting, first aid, crafting, whatever you can think of. A little piece of paracord and a carabiner on there. Compass, K&R I think it was. I don't know, I have an issue with this compass in particular because I paid 80 bucks for it and I only use it at class. So there's a company out there called Ultimate Survival Technology, or UST, that makes one that does pretty much the same thing for like I think 10 to 15 bucks. I may be wrong about that because I don't own one because I bought this one first. So I've got a hybrid light in there. It's a solar powered headlamp, or you can charge it on a USB port. I've got the, where is it? It's around in here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. There's a little solar panel in there that goes along with it, so if you were out and you wanted to charge it, you know. They advertise 30 hours on that battery. I've never tested it to the limit. I usually just charge it every once in a while. K&R compass. And it has the lensatic and the lens and the measuring and all that topography stuff that I don't ever use. So, I don't know, save your money, just get the UST. Don't make the same mistake I did. Black diamond headlamp, it's got the red light on it and a couple of settings on that. Great headlamp, great water protection. It just uses batteries and I don't like to buy batteries that often, so that's my backup. Plantain yarrow salve. Essential. If you don't know how to make one of those, I'll do a video on that at some point, but yeah, that's some stuff to carry for sure. Anything topical, burns, stings, bullet cuts, you know, the whole nine. Silcock key, urban survival pretty much, you know, get you some water out of a spout if it doesn't have the handle on it. Extra battery for my camera. Gerber multi-tool with a lot going on there. Got the pliers and everything. And there's a bunch of tools on here, so I don't know, I like the Leathermans too, but this one just happens to be a Gerber. Ridgeline, got a Prusic knot on there. I like the orange because it's bright and I can see it at night kind of as well. I don't have any of the reflective stuff, but that's a good option too. Emergency blanket, I like the SOL heavy duty emergency blanket. I think that's what this is, the heavy duty. You have to tie on your own tie outs or grommets or whatever, but it packs down really light. Or really small, and it's light. So I had a grabber, didn't like the bulkiness of it, picked up one of these, haven't looked back. Sawyer like personal water system, I think is what they called it on Amazon. It's got the filter and the plunger and the little like gravity tube thing that you screw into the filter and all that. And then I didn't like their bags really, so I got an Ever New bag. It has a little rubber band that ties everything down. I like that a lot more, and it's easier to fill. The Sawyer ones are hard to fill, so I don't like that about them. But I mean, other than that, no complaints. You know, 10 minutes I got clean water instead of building a fire and boiling my bottle and all that stuff. So, you know, in the mountains here, it does viruses. It doesn't do heavy metals. It does bacteria. It doesn't do viruses. It doesn't do heavy metals or chemicals or anything like that. So, you know, if you got an issue with that in your area, you might want to get something a little stouter, but this one's worked just fine for me. I haven't gotten sick thus far. There is one creek around here where prospectors do a lot of stuff in that, and I've heard it's got mercury deposits, so I just don't drink out of that. But, you know, like I say, I haven't gotten sick. It's worked just fine. Roller bank line. You know, everybody knows what this stuff is. It's awesome for everything but your ridge line, which is the only thing I use paracord for. The only paracord I carry is that. So, tinder bag from Stitch Gear Outfitters. You know, this was the Dan Lutz brainchild that crafted by Randy at Stitch Gear Outfitters. I love this tinder bag. It is empty right now because it bailed me out a little while back when I didn't have anything on me and I needed to get a fire and I didn't really feel like going and, you know, searching hardcore, so I don't have any tinder in it at this time. You know, you can crack on me about not being a real survivalist or whatever, I don't care. I'll fill it up here pretty soon. My food bag. That's what I use this for anyways. I carry a little energy enhancer, the little squirt bottles like the Mios. This is a off-brand one I guess I got from Aldi's. Probably tastes just as good. I haven't tried it yet, but that's fine. I like the coffee ones and that stuff too. Like Mio makes a coffee thing that I really enjoy in that as well. Block of cheese, also bought from Aldi's, and a tube of summer sausage, and I've got a couple of electrolyte packets in here for when I'm on long hikes and I'm getting dehydrated. I'm on ketosis right now, so this is a good diet for me that lasts, you know, I could probably go for, I don't know, a day and a half, maybe 2 days off of that. You know, I'd probably get a little bit hungry, but, you know, the ketosis really the keto really works for me. I kind of consider that my little survivalist diet, so, you know, if you're not on that, I like it. Keeps my energy levels consistent, but, that's pretty much all I got on that one. So, thanks for watching, guys. Check out the next video.